In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Wistia and ActiveCampaign. This integration helps you connect your Wistia video analytics with your ActiveCampaign marketing automation, so you can turn viewer behavior into smarter follow-up. To begin, you will first log into Wistia. Open your Wistia account and sign in using your normal credentials. Take a moment to make sure you land in the main dashboard or the area where your account settings are available, because the next part depends on finding the right menu. Once you are logged in, you will go to Account, then find Integrations. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a tab, a menu item, or a link within your account options. Go ahead and click into Integrations now. This section is where Wistia manages third-party tools and connections, so it is the correct place to start the setup. Now you will select ActiveCampaign from the list of integrations. If you see multiple options, look for the one labeled ActiveCampaign and choose it. Selecting the correct integration matters because it determines which connection fields you will see and which settings you will need to copy and paste from ActiveCampaign. After you select ActiveCampaign, click Connect. This will initiate the integration flow. At this stage, Wistia typically prepares a place for you to enter the ActiveCampaign developer details. You will not fully complete the connection yet because you still need to retrieve the required values from ActiveCampaign. Next, switch over to ActiveCampaign. In ActiveCampaign, go to Settings, then Developer. This developer area is where your integration credentials and API information are stored. It is important to be in the correct settings section since API details are not found in the general menus. Once you are on the developer page, you will copy your API URL and your API key. Carefully identify both fields since they usually look similar but serve different purposes. The API URL is the endpoint that tells Wistia where to send requests. The API key is the authentication token that verifies that Wistia is allowed to access your ActiveCampaign account through the integration. Before you paste anything back into Wistia, pause for a second and make sure you copy the values exactly as they appear. If the URL includes special characters or punctuation, keep them intact. If the API key looks like a long string, copy the full string without leaving off any characters. Now you will return to Wistia and paste the copied API URL and API key into the fields Wistia provided. If there are separate boxes, place the API URL into the API URL box and the API key into the API key box. Take your time here because accurate matching of the values is what allows the integration to authenticate successfully. After you have pasted both values, click Connect within Wistia. This final click tells Wistia to test the credentials and establish the connection to your ActiveCampaign account. If everything is correct, you should see confirmation that the integration is connected or enabled. Finally, once the connection is complete, you can leave the setup area knowing your systems are linked. From here, Wistia and ActiveCampaign can work together based on the integration, letting you use video engagement data in your marketing workflows. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.